A sacred why, a mystery gaping inside. The weekends why, until we dance into the fire.
Wow, it takes a licking and keeps on ticking. Look at that. I hit a tree. And it's bent in the arm and it's still okay. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you for that. Look at that. Look at what it can do. Even after hitting a tree, which I shouldn't have let it do, I admit, but it still is working just fine. The dog might not think so, but it's working just fine. Look at that. That's a good drone right there. Hello, YouTubers and fellow Amazon shoppers. This is John with a quick Techzamination for you of this amazing little drone, the $300 or thereabouts Ruko F11 drone. Has a high-resolution camera. It folds up very compactly and fits into a padded case that's included with it. It comes with a second battery and a certificate for a third one. Just give them a review and they'll send you a third battery. Each battery is good for 25 to 30 minutes of flight time, depending on what you're doing with it. It's a fantastic little unit. You can spend an extra $1,000 and get a few more features out of other drones. But if you're new to the game or you just don't want to spend a lot of extra money for not a lot of extra features, this is a very, very good drone. As you can see from the footage that appears before this portion of this video, it can take a good hit, such as from a pine tree, and keep on flying even with one of the arms folded in. This thing has enough sophisticated programming and sensors on it that even with one of the arms bent in so that rotor's closer to the body and is causing lopsided forces, this thing is smart enough to figure out how to keep on flying anyway. I honestly didn't even know that I had actually hit the tree because I thought I was about to and I thought I saved it. No, it actually hit and kept on flying, and since it was so far away, I did not see that the front right arm had bent in part way. So I continued flying it and was shocked to see as it got overhead where it was in view again that it had actually partially folded in the right front, and it kept on flying. Here is one of the batteries. You can see right there that I just squeezed the latches on and lifted it right out. It's just that easy to swap out a battery and put in another one and keep on flying. There's a gimbal, just a one-axis gimbal that allows you to tilt the high-resolution camera down or up and look around as you're flying. It's a fantastic little unit. I have no hesitation at all in recommending this to you. You will be happy with it. Best bang for the buck out there, I think. So this is John. I hope this quick review's been helpful.